On January 20th, 2021, officially, we will swear in President-elect Joe Biden. The question is, why January 20th? Who made up that rule? Where did this come from? Well, today we're going to learn about the 20th Amendment, which happens to explain exactly why January 20th is the date. Believe it or not, the inauguration date is in the Constitution. There are 27 amendments. This is the 20th. There has been no time in history that this amendment has been challenged in the Supreme Court. That's a good thing. Will it ever be challenged in the Supreme Court? I'm not sure, maybe. But today's activity, we are going to learn about the 20th Amendment. We're going to understand what it states. Also, you're going to learn 3 vocabulary words. Some of these are actually a review: the word amendment, the word ratify, and the word constitution. When you think of these 3 words, look them up online and get the definition, and then I want you to think of a picture that helps you remember these words. Amendment is important because you're going to see that on the Constitution test as well as the citizenship test. Ratify, you need to know what this word means to understand what an amendment is, because they go together. And then the word constitution, you should know because it is the first question on the citizenship test. What is the supreme law of the land? So you should know these 3. After you're finished doing the vocab, there is a 20th Amendment reading. Now, this is what the Constitution looks like. Literally, when you click on it, it'll take you to a site that looks like this: 20th Amendment, Presidential Term and Secession, Assembly of Congress. It's going to tell you when it was passed. It's then going to tell you when it was ratified. And it's going to tell you a few things. The beginning part of this, the first 3 sections, section 1, 2, and 3, and 4, actually talk about what this amendment can do and what its purpose is. Section 5, 6 is really about the logistics of when this amendment and how it was written, and when it's going to take in effect. But the sections to really focus on is section 1 and section 3. The questions that you're going to see today are section 1 and section 3. So when was the 20th Amendment passed by Congress? Number 2, when was the 20th Amendment ratified by Congress? Number 3, what section explains when the president's term is officially over? Number 4, when is the president's term officially over? And then 5, I think this is interesting. I'm not trying to be, like make people worried or anything, but Joe Biden, people have asked. He's old. He's an older guy. What would happen if he would die in these next 9 days or 8 days before his term's officially over? The Constitution actually wrote that out. So what happens if the president-elect dies before officially being sworn into office? Section 3, read that. It answers it. And you can explain your answers right here. So 5 questions, learning about the 20th Amendment. All right, students, you have a great time working on this.